Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And as you've probably seen from the title, I am going to be waxing my underarms for the very first time myself. I usually get my underarms waxed at the salon, but I wanted to try to do it myself just to see, how hard it actually is. I'm pretty sure it's not like hard, but just something that you have to get used to doing yourself. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos of people waxing their own underarms, and I figured, I would just try it out myself. So I will have this wax here that I use listed in the description box, and like where I got it from. And I already have my wax pot here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some of these beads into the little wax can that I have and go ahead and get started. Okay, so I am done with this underarm here, and this is what it is looking like. I'm not sure if you can really see it on camera, but there are a few hairs that I need to pluck, and I will pluck those with some tweezers. But I'm going to go ahead and go in and do my other underarm. and not bad at all. I really do love this wax so far. This did not hurt at all. Like, this was not painful for me. So yeah, and I think I'm actually going to attempt to do my lip as well. As you can see, like, I have some hairs here, but I actually think I'm going to try my lip too. Okay, so for my lip, I'm actually going to use this size stick here. Try to get a little closer so you all can see. I have my mirror down here so I can see, but okay, so I am done with my lip, and I am done with my underarms. So I'm just going to go in with this wax off wax remover for the skin. So what that looks like here. Process, I would definitely do my underarms again. I would definitely do my lip again. Like I said earlier, you know, I have to work on my technique. I do have a waxing video already on my channel where I did the unboxing of the GG Warmer Pro Wax Kit, and I did purchase the GG wax beads. But I will say that the GG wax beads compared to the Mermaid Wax beads don't really compare. Like, this Mermaid Wax is way better in my opinion. I'm able to maneuver it better on my skin when applying. I read the reviews on this Mermaid Wax. They have tons and tons of testimonials and reviews on this Mermaid Wax, and all of them were awesome. So I'm glad that I did try the Mermaid Wax because I like it much better. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.